Hi and welcome to this A1 website scraper introduction tutorial. Normally when you want to scrape a website you will have to enter the website address, some analysis and output filters which determines what URLs are analyzed and from which URLs you are scraping output. In general you will have to configure both the same. This can be useful if you have a major website but you only want to scrape certain URLs that fit a certain pattern or exclude portions of a website or whatever. You can also add some more some start scrape paths here. For instance, if you have excluded the root domain, then you will need to add some other paths which A1 website scraper can start its scrape from. Okay, so having done that, we will start configuring scraper options. And we will use some of the demos available there for a single column to extract. Here we have demo input. We have the regular expression where we want to scrape off the title. So this is, you can define multiple regular expressions this way. We will see that in later demo, I think. And you can also see these are called matches. So anything between these parentheses are captured or extracted, if you will. So in this demo we have two columns. The first column, the URL from which we extract, and the second column, regular expression match. We call this column my found extract. We say it's the first regular expression, the first regex function, and the first regex match. This is the parentheses. And then some other options like strip HTML, insert spaces instead of new lines, strip lead trailing spaces, and convert case and stuff like that. And we can see the output, the URL in first column, and the extracted content, that would be this, and that would correspond to the title found in here, and then the final CSV output. Moving on to a more complicated example, extract product names and URLs. We can see this is a bit more complicated regular expression with a bit more input, and we see in this case we have two columns. The path found in here, that would be corresponding to that product example done. We see that's extracted there, and then the my found title, I think it's it's this, all likewise for the second row of data. So in this case we have scraped off product URLs and product titles from this specific demo HTML using this demo regular expression. Now it's important to remember that this will be run against all pages scraped. So all data scraped off, stock quotes, weather reports, whatever, are then all merged and combined into a single CSV file. So naturally scanning and scraping a whole website will result in a much larger resulting CSV file, maybe 1,000 records or 10,000 records or 100,000 records. Really, it depends on the website. And you can determine yourself where you want this file placed containing all the scraped data. In this case, the default will just be in a temporary directory in a file called scraped.csv. There are also some more complicated examples. Extract content blocks, which shows how you can handle if some blocks are not in the content and others are, and you want to scrape it all if available, and so forth. So I really suggest that you try out the demos, maximize the window. Right now the screen is a bit cramped because it has to fit for optimal video format. And then just take a look. Now, if you know regular expressions, you should be able to get this working for you quite well. If you don't know regular expressions, then I am hopeful I will at some point implement visual configuration. But for now, you will have to know regular expressions. Check the tutorial for links to good resources for learning regular expressions. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.